Hallo jedermann, ich heiße Bildershed hier und heute... Y'all really thought I was going to go full German on you. No. It ain't going like that right now. No, I'm not at that level anyways. It's going to... And plus, most I do is probably put German captions in once I get to that level. But on topic, sorry for not being, sorry for not uploading the past week. Just got Fallout 4 for the PC, and I've been playing on the Windows boot mainly, as I was just apparently too dang lazy to actually mess with Proton, get some things going on here on Linux boots. So my stupid self, of course. Y'all will have probably been videos y'all have probably had videos for the rest of the week if I put Fallout 4 on the Linux boot instead with Proton working and stuff, you know what I mean? Hey, but sorry about that. I planned on to make this video yesterday, but no, it's all going crappy. Also not wearing sunglasses right now because it's a little sweaty, and when it's sweaty, these fellas fog up on the inside. Let's actually get to the full-on topic of the video. So today I'm going to show y'all how to basically install like a window manager on desktop environment, window manager, wherever you want on Arch. And it's not as hard as you think. It may look daunting. This thing doesn't come with a window manager. Well, it's actually quite easy if you didn't know. And this is more like going to base, a little bit more of the base level. So sudo pacman-s. So first of all, you need to install a desktop environment. So let's do sudo pacman-s. So let's do something like GNOME. You can do Plasma Desktop, I think, if you want to do Plasma XFCE4. Well, if you're going to do XFCE4, you might as well do XFCE4 and XFCE4 goodies, I think that is. Or like I do it, awesome. Is that it? So for this example, we're going to use GNOME. So let's get GNOME on here. So let's just choose all of them. And just choose those. And it's going to take a little bit, so then you just press Y. By the way, all the dependencies it has, it's going to install those dependencies too. So you don't need to worry about going into XF. You don't need to worry about installing Xorg or Wayland separately. You just Pacman finds the dependencies for you and installs them with the app. So let's just type Y here. Things should be similar on like a minimal Ubuntu installation or minimal Debian based installation, etc. Like you just do, instead of doing pacman, you would do sudo apt install those. And by the way, with apt, you could put -y at the end and it'll skip the prompt if you the yes or no prompt if you want to do that. You would probably do that if you're going to install a bunch of things and then just leave to go off to the store or something. That you'd probably do that. While knowing the 50% chance that you're not going to. Knowing the 50% chance you're not going to that it may not go through fully. There's going to be an issue somewhere. That's a possibility. So I'm gonna leave this by itself for a little bit. I'm gonna be back when it's like done installing GNOME. Okay, I'm back. So now GNOME's installed, but there's one more thing we gotta do, and that's sudo systemctl enable GDM service. Talking about password. So now I just do that. What was start, and thing is, it's gonna be the same for most other display managers like GDM, which is the one you see on most Linux distros. If you don't see here, same for LightDM. I think it's the same for SDDM. You get the point. Though there's gonna be another one I'm gonna show y'all in a bit. So let's just do start. Here it's gonna boot into it. So this is GDM. When boot it, it should boot into it. Now I just see. Now I think it should be doing it now. You just can't. This thing take long. Oh. Yep. So it should show up in a second. And here it shows. Log in. Here I think we're putting GNOME now. Well, GNOME 40 at the most, at the least. Arch is rolling release, so you're going to get the latest GNOME no matter what. You can't stay on GNOME 38, 3.38. Sadly, I wish because of. Here's GNOME. Just do log out. Oh yeah, if you want to head back into the display manager. I'll head right back in anyways. And here we'll pop up the terminal. So I'm going to show you what. So I'm going to show you all LightDM. Yep, you better load up. Or GNOME's or GNOME's gonna be having its face slapped. Can't this thing just start? So I got the situation fixed for now, so I'm gonna try doing something here first. Well, let's grab that. So got the situation dealt with for now. Hopefully we had a little situation here where GNOME was having GNOME Terminal 1 start. So now let's install LightDM. Here's the other one. So clear X. Oh wait. So if you wanna change your display managers, you'd have to do sudo systems ctl disable, and then for this one gdm.service, run your password. So remove that. So let's do a quick reboot. So for this one, so if you don't see here, it's going to boot into a normal TTY instead of GDM, I think. So now I know. So yeah, it booted into a normal TTY. So I have to log in root. User mod a builder shed the video. Oh boy. Well, it's back out of that, but let's do sudo systemctl enable this time LightDM.service. So let's exit dir shed password clear. Then we do sudo systemctl start LightDM.service. Now watch it load up LightDM. I actually prefer LightDM more than GNOME, but I don't use either of them on my main system because after I show you LightDM, I'm going to show you which one I actually use. By the way, LightDM I believe should start normally on when you start the system up. I'm going to do a restart. I'll be back. So here I finally got the entire thing fixed. Well, I didn't set some things properly, so here's the LightDM. Cool thing about LightDM is you can set greeters and stuff up. You could buy different greeters. It's like this stuff, like right here. This is the GTK greeter. So right here, it looks like a known greeter, if you know what I mean. So I just put in password, hop onto GNOME. So now I want to show you a couple more things, like if you want. So now I'm going to teach you how to change the greeter on LightDM. After I do a couple things with the AUR. And peeps, I don't have an AUR helper on here, unfortunately, so yeah. So let's just start off. So let's just do our make directory command. So mkdir, and what the heck? Oh my. We got a situation. Okay. So now we go to CD in the program DB. Now I see in program DB, I'm gonna get two, like, I'm going. One of them is what I'm going to discuss right after this, right after I deal with LightDM. So first I'm going to do git clone https /aur.archlinux.org. And Unity okay, so light IDM / unity retur. Oh, you can't forget .git and git clone https /aur.archlinux.org /tbsm.git. Oh crap. Getting those cloned. So ls, we got those. Now, basically the thing for these is that first one we're going to go is cd into LightDM Unity Greeter. And we'll do make package -si. Yup, we have a little issue right there. Oh boy. CD to program DB and into Tbsm. So now I do make package -si. So before we head off, let's do head off into dealing with Tbsm. Let's do sudo vim into etc / and here you want to uncomment this line, and you type in the full name of your greeter right here. So let's do right quit clear. So I'm going to sudo system ctl disable lists. Log out of that. I don't know what was up with the VM. I'm going to do a quick reset. So let me y'all a little lesson about Tbsm. So Tbsm is basically this. It's a terminal-based session manager. That's literally what it means. Tbsm. So if we want to go and GNOME, we just type 3. Startx command not found. That's a joke. You got to be kidding me. Okay, it's X or dash X in it. Get those going. Now do Tbsm and type in 3. So now here we just loaded up GNOME. Right here. So now let's just get out of GNOME real quickly. So if you want this to start up every time, let me head into my bash RC real quickly. So let me go into Vim. No, my bash profile. You want to show into your bash profile, not your bash RC. So this is my bash profile. So I'm going to go Vim into my bash profile. So I'm going to do -F. I thought bash RC. And I'm going to do $$ X DG BTNR -LE2 and Tbsm. There's someone to go exit. Hopefully that should work. Oh, I think I just put a space in. I obviously did not do something correctly. No. Oh! Bash profile. Now let me exit, log in, and voila, that shows up. So this is more like an old school one, and if you need to use a TTY, you just type in quit, just in case you screwed something up or something. So that's basically my explanation of these. So that's basically how you get this type of stuff to work on Arch. How to get a window manager installed here and how to get a window manager and display manager working on here. It's not hard at all. It's actually more on the easy side. It's Not complicated. You can easily get this done. And you can easily make your Arch distro look like any other normal distro. It's not hard at all. There's Bill Shed here. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya! Oh, whoa, wait a minute. We ain't gone yet. So, let me explain some things first. First, I'm looking to try to fix my Minecraft problem. Minecraft launch will not start because of locale issues. I don't know why I'm having locale issues. I'll probably see if someone can help me out with that at some point. Also, I got some LEDs in my room. I'll put them to the normal builder shed color. So, yeah. Favorite color. So the room should look like, so the background should look more builder shed like, if you know what I mean. So, this is builder shed here. Hope to see y'all next time. See ya. If y'all like this type of content, make sure to drop a like. If you wanted to see more of this content, make sure to subscribe. If you don't like this content, or specifically this video, drop a dislike. And it'd be heavily appreciated if you were to also drop a comment explaining why you disliked the video and some issues, also known as constructive feedback. I'll see y'all next time. See ya.